नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू चार्ट्स पे चर्चा। मैं आनंद राठी, मेरे साथ विजय सिम्हा। हाजिर है हम फिर से एक नए एपिसोड के साथ। न्यू व्यू फॉर निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी एंड फ्यू इंटरेस्टिंग स्टॉक आइडियाज एंड सम ऑप्शन ट्रेड्स टू। देखते हैं निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी के चार्ट्स और वगैरह क्या दिख रहा है। व्हाट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द कमिंग एक्सपायरी वीक ऑफ द February 2021। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द चार्ट्स। सो आज हम शुरू करते हैं पहले बैंक निफ्टी से, क्योंकि एक इंटरेस्टिंग पैटर्न बन रहा है बैंक निफ्टी में। अगर ये बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट पे ऑब्जर्व किया जाए, यहाँ पे वेरी वेरी हाई वॉल्यूम के साथ बजट डे बैंक निफ्टी ने रैली स्टार्ट किया था। जो ब्रेकआउट दिया था, इट वाज ए मूव ऑफ सम 2500 काइंड ऑफ पॉइंट सिंगल डे में, एंड इट हैड ए फॉलो थ्रू। उस फॉलो थ्रू के बाद सडनली समवेयर अराउंड दिस 36,600 700 बैंक निफ्टी has seen some good selling, volumes भी high थे, and it has seen a selling of somewhere around 1000 points from high. अगर इस कैंडल का लो को मार्क किया जाए ऐसे, after 4-5 days of consolidation within that candle, it had given a breakout. मगर इस ब्रेकआउट को फॉलो थ्रू नहीं मिला नेक्स्ट डे. इनफैक्ट देयर वाज a continuous selling since next day, and it has come and tested these lows of this range and lows of this sell-off candle. Normally what is observed is this breakout looks like a false breakout, as it hasn't got any follow through, and the lows of this range are about to be tested or broken. Lows of that breakout candle has already broken. Normal cases mein, most of the time it is observed that this is like a false breakout, and if it does comes true, which we assume as this is a false breakout, which means 35,500, this is the confirmation reference. 35,500 400 zone, this gap zone, this the candle lows of this candle and this gap zone around here, this is going to be critical to be watched for the coming week. If this goes, उसका मतलब है कि ये ब्रेकआउट फॉल्स था, फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट था, तो this can go and test all the way till 32,900 33,200 references, this zone, or you can say 33,200 का ये गैप जोन फिल करेगा all the way till testing previous highs of around 32,800. यानी कि 35,500 to 33,000 most likely a 2,500 points kind of move, and this can get traveled within a week. If this turns out as a false breakout, which looks very much likely as of now, and confirmation will be below 35,500 400 zone getting broken. So below 35,400, have a stop loss of 36,000 for a targets of around 33,000 near about, plus or minus 200 points. And if we observe even Friday, we had some good volumes, and the first sell off जो यहाँ पे आया था after without any follow through, तब और फ्राइडे दोनों दिन वॉल्यूम्स अच्छे थे. यानी कि जब सपोर्ट के पास बैंक निफ्टी आया है तब वॉल्यूम्स आए हैं. If follow through below this, breaking this support means these are selling can intensify from here, because these two volumes are higher than the complete consolidation zone. So interesting week is likely ahead in Bank Nifty for a move likely around 2,000 to 2,500 kind of points. Alternatively, if 35,300 does not break, 35,400, 300, this gap zone of 35,500 to 300 zone does not breaks, which means Bank Nifty can rally back higher and give an expiry around 37,000 or above. A likelihood of expiry around 37,000 plus or towards 33,000, near to 33,000 looks very much possible. A move of 1,500 to 2,000 points within a week looks a high probability pattern in Bank Nifty. 1,500 to 2,000 points, which means 5 to 7% within a week, is interesting to be weighted. interesting to be observed and traded, because options will be giving a good return out of this. Say example 35,500 put might be around 200, 300 right now. And if it gives a breakdown by below 35,400, that might be a 400 points. And 400 is likelihood of becoming 2000 is very good opportunity. Or 35,000 put might be around 100, 150. This becoming 800,000 is like a 7 to 8, 10 bagger kind of. So interesting trade opportunity is ahead. Whichever side it goes, 400 breaks, have a stop loss of 36,000. If 36,000 above it sustains, then look for a trade towards 37,000, 37,500 with a stop loss of 35,500. So any side, a good trade opportunity exists. Bias remains for a downside. But rest, as I say, market is supreme. So we need to change the moment market crosses any levels. Clear, Vijay?
Yes.
Anything for you to share here?
Yeah, I'll share my screen.
Yeah. Over to you.
Visible?
Yeah. This looks like a 5 is done. Is it?
Maybe, maybe थोड़ा सा रह गया जान possible है. Uh, I'm not sure if I discussed this grid in the earlier videos, but Bank Nifty का जो individual major legs का length है वो approximately 3,500 points का है. So this is a monthly scale chart. So 3,500 to 7,000 to 10,500. So ऐसे करके it's in increments of around 3,500 points, and this vertical rise from March bottom, I think barring this one candle here, and even this, if you see, they all respected the 3,500 point limit. एक बार तो reaction आया है. There's a red candle here, there's a red candle here. अभी ये महीना पूरा finish नहीं हुआ है, so this candle we cannot assume that it's complete, but we can see the rejection from the top. So it is time to be extremely careful on Bank Nifty. And I think you have beautifully explained the structure. We are at the halfway point after the correction. So this is the weekly scale chart. We can clearly count 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is almost done. अगर हम daily में जाते हैं और detail में count कर सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is ABC 2. And again यहाँ से शुरू हो गया वापस. Third, somewhere completed here. Fourth, so number 3 finished here. This is fourth and fifth के अंदर भी आपको 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पूरे दिखते हैं. Of course, there is always a possibility that the fifth of fifth can become an ending diagonal or something like that. Time waste भी कर सकता है यहाँ पे. But it is a big round number, 38,500, and we have already reached 37,700 odd. And Fibonacci extension में भी हम देख सकते हैं कि ये fifth wave, ये इसका जो length है, it is equal to the length of the first wave here. This wave, right? जितना बड़ा ये था, हाँ, उतना ही बड़ा ये fifth भी था. March low से it took more time because there was a lot of correction, but here it was vertical, and sometimes fifth waves are vertical, and they are called the climax waves, and this is what happens. So we have to be careful. I think like you rightly pointed out, अगर ये support zone है 36,000 के आसपास, maybe there is a bounce trade into the coming week. We could look at that if this low holds. Other than that, for next week, we should be very, very watchful. क्योंकि इसके बाद क्या होगा वो तो अगले हफ्ते में पता चलेगा. And this structure here, the same structure is visible even on SBI. See, 3-4 compressed candles, almost like a triangle flag. Flag formation is what we call. and then a little breakout that happened. So I think if SBI has to continue, it has to hold this huge gap. So Bank Nifty and SBI are showing similar shapes. So that it is possible कि हम at least एक temporary top के आसपास हैं. So time to be cautious next week. Sometimes it is better not to trade than get into trades where we get stuck.
Exactly. If there is a confuse, better to sit
So
calm and look for other trade
yes,
opportunity.
correct. Yes. There are a lot of other opportunities. Index के बाहर हम बहुत देख सकते हैं. Over to you.
Now let's look at Nifty, which looks much more interesting compared to Bank Nifty. Why this looks more interesting is the main reason being, अगर याद हो लास्ट से लास्ट वीक कहा था कि यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स थोड़े हाई आए हैं. This support remains important for the Nifty. This was around 14,980, and if this is held, it can continue its journey and complete its target around 15,400 500 zone. And exactly Nifty ने क्या किया, similar pattern इसको hold करते हुए Nifty has rallied and it has hit a high around 15,450, near to 15,450 and reverse. यानी कि 15,400 500 zone को जो target था उसको complete किया है and reverse. And how brilliantly it has reversed. If we observe, a 5 days move approximately got done within 4 days. The first sign that bears are finding some strength now after some few months, we can say. We haven't seen such kind of faster move even in January when it has broken these lows. The time taken was higher than the time to come down was more than time taken to rally. But now the time taken to up move is less and the time taken to come down is, the time taken to move up is more, that is 5 days, and the time taken to come down and break that support is just 4 days. And how interestingly it has done is, observe the volumes here and these volumes. Both when the price has approached this support around 15,000, round number of 15,000, we see high volumes, one with a green candle, a buying, and one with a red candle, a selling indication. All in all, what this indicate overall, this range of 15,200 which got broken, it also could not see a follow through and it reversed immediately and it has tested the recent lows around this lows of this range. Now, if at all we get a follow through below Friday's lows, which looks very much likely, which is around 14,900, a follow through below this, there is a highly likelihood of Nifty testing 14,700, 14,500 references within these two likely targets within an expiry. Alternatively, if 15,150 is captured back by the bulls, or if Nifty manages to sustain above 15,100, 150 zone, then we can see a move all the way towards highs and expiry can be around 15,400, 500. Else, I will not be surprised if this gap around 14,400 gets filled up within an expiry. A probability is less for this, for 14,300 as a target, but probability is high for target around 14,500. And who knows, there might be a surprise awaiting and market might be forming a reverse candle to this budget day candle in a coming week. As always, market is known to surprise. Well, this is too much to think of right now. It will be too much a hope trade. But let us follow what charts suggest. Charts are right now suggesting if 15,150 is not crossed back, then we can see expiry move toward 14,700, 14,500 as a potential targets. So interesting trade opportunity in this also, a 500 points move with a risk of around 100, 150 points. And this 500 points can even extend towards 700 points. So a trade opportunity not to be missed. And this move is likely to be done in a fast mode within a week. If 15,150 is crossed, can look for a long with a stop of 15K for targets of 15,500 and 15,800 this time. The target might extend towards 15,800 if 15,500 resistance is crossed. And all of this can happen within a week. Interesting February expiry ahead. One more interesting thing to be observed with respect to volumes. I think I have pointed out this earlier also. If I have not, I am pointing out it here again. These weekly volumes post budget day, that's the budget week volume, were highest since July. And post this, there was one breakout candle above that. And last week, if we observe, this candle is proving like with similar volume, a negative candle breaking even the lows of this breakout candle, proving that the breakout was a false. And what is normally observed is in such a cases, the lows around these get tested going ahead. Now, if this happens in 1 week or within, it takes a time of 3 weeks, it is market's choice to decide. So it's wait and watch how much time it will take. But probability of it going and testing 13,800 zone is very much looks likely if 15,150 is not crossed back. Now this happens within a week, it takes 3 weeks. I cannot comment on the timing part, but I will not be surprised if this happens within a week also, because if the targets are getting opened, the likelihood of it getting tested before anyone think of is more than one can wait and take a trade for the target. So all in all, interesting week. And also this week is going to be the monthly candle formation week for the February month. And if we observe, the volumes have been consistently decreasing for this up move since August, September, the lows of September. Now here also, if we observe and if we think likely to calculate the February likely volumes, as of now does not look like February volumes will be higher than January, even if we consider approximate average volume what we have seen in last 5 days. So here also there looks like some pause is likely or some sudden violent move is likely. Everything weekly, monthly, daily charts indicate a likelihood of some big move is ahead, very much likely. Now at the end, it happens or not, it's market's wish. Markets are supreme. We need to follow the levels. So let's see what's in store. An interesting week ahead. Clear?
Yeah. Let's move to stocks.
Over to you. Oh, trend line resistance.
So this is monthly chart of Maruti. I think auto index has corrected a bit in the last 1 week. In fact, over the last couple of weeks, in fact. So देख सकते हैं कि Maruti from the March bottoms, rallied quite a lot, roughly about doubled. And ये pitchfork का जो midline है, that is resistance point where it is getting resisted. And इस पूरे fall का ये 50% से थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही retrace कर चुका है. Coming to the daily chart, I can clearly count 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if this whole thing is a triangle, fourth wave, more or less we are done. Fifth. अब सवाल ये है कि ये ABC correction अगर finish हो गया, is the correction done and we are on to a bull phase? Yes, that is a possibility. The other way to look at it is, the correction is still unfolding, ABC, and this whole khichdi that happened is just a B wave. So A खत्म हो गया, B खत्म हो गया, and हम C के अंदर ही, maybe we just finished one and we may retrace back. इसकी likelihood मुझे ज़्यादा लग रही है, for a simple reason. if we go to retracement and if we see how much this fall has been retraced, ये roughly 50% ही retrace किया है. अगर ये retracement 61.8 से ऊपर होता, तो I would be more bullish on this stock. But because it started falling from 50% itself, it looks more like a bounce than a impulse wave, and its shape be it's not convincing. So if I go into the hourly chart, right, ये पूरा corrective wave था A and B, and C के अंदर we can count 1 2 3 4 and 5. So A, at least capital A, is done, and this whole thing was again A, B and C. तो यहीं पे B wave खत्म हो गया, and we can again count 1 2 3 4 5 waves done. So this is either one of C. Of course, we can even assume a big C is also done. We can only assume big C is done if this low holds and we continue up 20-hour moving average के ऊपर अगर price चलता है, then I would look at it. But right now I would be bearish, also keeping in mind the context of the larger indices that we have just discussed, Nifty. तो इस stock पे मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll wait for this price to go back to either the 20-hour moving average, which is around 74 75, before buying puts for the coming week. ज़्यादा दूर का नहीं लेना है because अभी 3-4 दिन ही बचे हैं expiry के लिए. Or if you're playing futures, I would wait for it to retrace to this level and then only go short with a very small stop loss, somewhere around maybe 75 25, that kind of level. So this is Maruti, and ये जो yellow zone marked है, this is the high volume zone. The highest volumes यहाँ पर थे, so 77 80 and 7250 zone वाला. अगर ये zone break होता है, so the fall can be really quick. If it breaks 7250 tomorrow or day after, अगले 2-3 दिन में ये 300-400 पॉइंट और नीचे ले जाएगा, which is why this is more a convincing bear trade than a bull trade. Also, we can see the moving average crossover here. 20-day moving average has crossed over to the downside, so we need to look at it as a bearish bet, but I would wait for it to retrace to at least the 20-hour moving average.
Something interesting over here is, if you observe, it hasn't participated in up move, but participating in a down move.
Correct.
It has been in a range bound mode since last 8 to 10 days, and when Nifty started coming down, it started moving down, which means this has been an underperformer and likelihood of a weakest stock to an easy bet to look for short opportunity if Nifty also gives a breakdown, or if this gives a breakdown, then it can be a good rewarding trade. And as you marked out, if we look at the high volume candle getting broken, and if that gets broken, that's around 7200 or something, then we can see a target.
The previous fourth wave is here.
Yeah, 6300.
6300.
So it's approximately 900 points, a good trading opportunity.
Yeah.
ये
अगर इस आने वाले हफ्ते में अगर opportunity नहीं देता है, तो we can wait and take a trade in the following week, first week of March. So that is Maruti. The other stock I have in mind is Jindal Steel. All metals have been in a bull run. This is the monthly chart. Anand, can you see it?
Yes.
Right, after a huge downfall from 2010. This is a fantastic textbook, Elliott wave, and clear breakout हो चुका है above the high of wave 1. This is monthly scale. So 295 के ऊपर जब तक ये stock है, there's nothing to fear. And if we go down to the daily scale, wave 1 यहाँ खत्म हुआ था अगस्त में, correction done. And this is just wave 1 within wave 3. And this was another 2, and it is again coming up now. इसके अंदर भी we can count, 1, 2, 3. This was a 4th, and this is a 5th, and A, B, C. Either the C is done, or if you really want to be cautious, we can wait for this price to come back closer to the 20-day moving average, which is around 298. अगर मैं hourly में जाऊं, so this entire consolidation, this could be the support. So 305 रुपए के आसपास, which is possible. हो सकता है कल अगर थोड़ा सा correction मिले तो यहाँ तक आ जाए. Here we can definitely be sure of buying a call option, maybe a 320 call option. क्योंकि ये third wave है, and it is also the third of third, the up move can be very fast. And like Anand, you were saying, a lot of times index tops out, but metals tend to continue the rally for a while. So ये possibility यहाँ बिल्कुल दिखता है. So Jindal Steel 320 call options we should keep on our radar for the coming week.
Interesting. And also this monthly stocks are supporting, so this can be a rewarding trade if supports are held.
Yes.
So as I recall, before we wind up, I would suggest do join the Telegram channel and do subscribe to this channel, and do share and like this video. And the reference levels I would like to recall is to keep in mind 14,900, 15,150. Whichever side you get a trade, look for a trade and enjoy the week with a good rewarding opportunity. Hopefully we get some excellent returns out of this expiry week. And already last week I have shared one option trade, and those who haven't watched it, those who haven't come across it, can once again go through it. The trade has got triggered on Friday. The risk is of around less than 10 points in an option, and the rewards can be at least, I can say, 40-50 points if this trade really plays out. Thank you once again. Do like, subscribe, share.
Yeah.
Share with your
And
friends.
please share this video in your WhatsApp groups among friends.
Thank you.